Here at MTD CNC, we're covering all of the manufacturing solutions, and I am here surrounded by a variety of them in the Omega area, hanging out with Ryan. So first and foremost, how are you doing today? We're here at REGO-FIX, their wonderful center. What's the good word, man?
Oh, we're having a wonderful time. Great partners, great people, wonderful facility. Absolutely gorgeous.
Truly. But I'm seeing some gorgeous and some clean equipment here that I'm sure provides a variety of solutions. So
Yes.
if I put on my operator hat, how is this changing the game for me?
So this is the world's only integrated REGO-FIX and Omega presetting machine. We're the only company that can automatically set height on your REGO-FIX collets for power grip, press the collets, and then preset the tool. Only one on the face of the planet.
Seems like a relatively complete solution, and I'm sure lots of operators are looking for just that. But knowing this came by way of partnership, powered by REGO-FIX, but this is clearly an Omega product. What's going on? And let's dive into the power that's being provided with this partnership.
Of course. So we've worked with REGO-FIX for about a year and a half to create a machine just for them. They came to us because we are the premier solutions provider, and our companies are very, very alike. We work in the same fashion, we have the same ideals, and this was the easiest collaboration that I've ever been part of. The REGO-FIX Swiss team and US team has been fantastic, and I think they knocked this one completely out of the park.
You know, we can see this by this variety of specific solutions here. Really appreciate you joining us today, everyone. This is Eddie from MTD CNC. We'll see you next time.